Made it to the top.
Aquí lang, acá. Ahí está,
Hands are freezing cold.
The next day.
Rise and shine. And I have my Stanley tea right here, and we're in the gas station right now.
Aquí lang, acá. Ahí está, hasta para el güero. Oh, sí.
We just made it to the ranch. Mom is going to give this to the cows. The hill is very muddy, but dried mud, so it's like you could trip anytime. And this is where the animals, like cows, horses, drink their water. And this is the view right now. This is what we're looking at. Area. Or for the, not the pool, but it's currently 11:09. My hands are freezing cold. But yeah. Made it to the top. It's right there. I already went, but oh shit.
Waddle, waddle.